In the sparkling realm of Stardust Valley, our tale begins with a young star fairy, a beacon of courage and kindness named Stella. With hair as radiant as the sun and wings that glowed like the moon, Stella's reputation for bravery was known far and wide across the valley. One night, while dancing amid the stars, Stella noticed a peculiar change in the heavens. Several constellations had disappeared, their gleaming lights nowhere in sight. Shocked by this revelation, Stella realized the necessity of an immediate action to restore the lost constellations and reinstate balance to the night sky. With a determined heart, Stella embarked on a daring quest to retrieve the missing stars and return them to their rightful place in the sky. Wand in hand, she took to the skies, her spirit brimming with hope and resolution. Her journey first led her to the enchanted forest, home to the constellation of the Great Bear. Upon arrival, Stella found the forest wrapped in darkness, its once vibrant trees now wilted and lifeless. Unfazed, Stella ventured deeper into the forest, using her magic to guide her and awaken the dormant magic within. As she navigated through the forest, Stella encountered a myriad of creatures, playful sprites and wise old owls, each presenting their unique wisdom and trials. With her benevolent heart and sharp mind, Stella surmounted every hurdle, gradually restoring the forest to its former splendor. After days of relentless searching, Stella found the Great Bear, its majestic form a beacon above the treetops. With a swift wave of her wand, she guided the constellation back into the night sky, its shimmering light dispelling the darkness and infusing the forest with renewed hope. Emboldened by her victory, Stella continued her quest, traversing the realm in search of the remaining missing constellations. Despite new challenges and newfound allies, each success only strengthened her resolve. Many days and nights later, Stella finally succeeded in restoring all the lost constellations to the night sky. As she looked up at the twinkling stars, now brighter than ever, Stella knew her quest had reached its successful end. Returning to Stardust Valley, Stella was hailed as a hero by the other fairies and nocturnal creatures. As she nestled under the vibrant stars, Stella knew she would forever be remembered as the brave star fairy who saved the night sky.